Good morning, dear student. I hope you are fine. Let us start the class today. Today we are going to do the workbook. There is a section called the practice question. Okay, so we are going to practice some question from the second chapter, that is pattern. In the last class we have done questions in the workbook, and today we are going to do the remaining part. Okay, so before starting the class, let us take a short recall of what we have learned from this chapter. From this chapter, we have learned what is a pattern. So, the repetition of basic shape is called a pattern. So, patterns we can see in many things. Okay, patterns we can see in rangoli designs. Patterns we can see on a gate or a grill. We can see on clothes. We can see on fabrics. We can see on saris, carpets. Okay, so all these are pattern. But if you look very closely, you can see that one particular design or shape is being repeated again and again. That repetition is known as the pattern. Okay. In page number 21 in your textbook, these are the various patterns you can see. You can see rangoli, mehendi, the gate, okay, the beehive, clothes, okay, so brick wall. So these are the various kinds of things you can see, patterns. Even my clothes, see the color gray and black is repeated, so this is also a pattern. So pattern we can see in many things, but if you look very closely, you can see one particular design has been repeated again and again. I'm saying this over and over again. Okay, and patterns we can do not only with designs, we can do with alphabets, we can do with numbers. Okay, we can do with flat figures, we can do with solid objects. All right, so let us see what are the practice question in the workbook, and let us discuss about them. Okay, so this is the second chapter of the workbook. Though we have discussed some of the questions, let us go through the questions one by one. Once again, the first is the question related to flat figures and solid figures. You can see the figures are given here, and the question is the shape of this is a birthday cap is a dash. Okay, a dash is given and four type of questions are given here. Options are given here, that is cuboid, cone, cube and sphere. So the answer is, obviously we know that the answer is cone. Okay, so we have to write the correct answer in the blank. And what is the option number? That is B. So we have to give tick mark in B and we have to write the correct option here. Okay, that is B. When this type of questions are given where four options are given, so it is known as multiple choice question. So this type of questions are known as multiple choice question. The next is the shape of a coin is a circle, and what is the correct option here? A. So you give tick mark in A and write the correct option number, that is A here. This is how we do a workbook. All right, and remember, always we have to do the workbook using a pencil. The shape of a box is a cuboid, and the cuboid is given here, option A, and write the option A here. Okay, the question number 4, 5, 6 are also multiple choice question involving pictures. Okay, so there are ribbon given here. One is blue, then the pink, blue, pink and blue and pink. Now we have to complete the pattern. To complete the pattern, four options are given here. So it is not necessary to draw them. Okay, sometimes the pictures may be a little difficult. So you can do one thing. You can write in the bracket and you give tick mark. The correct answer will be C. Similarly for 5, that is circle, rectangle, then what will come? The circle and rectangle. It is option number D. And the bracket also has been written here. Similarly, the answer for question number 6 is 2 triangles, and we write the option here. Now for question number 7 and 8, this is fill in the blank. It is a pattern, and in the middle, in the gap, we have to put the correct answer. So the answer here is circle, triangle, square, then what will come? Circle. For this, you can give the color. So what is the color of the circle here? Pink. You can give pink color. You can draw a circle and you can give the color here. Next, it is a square. It is a rectangle. It has been standing in this direction. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, then what will come? Triangle. So we know after the green, the blue comes, and the blue shape is triangle. Similarly, question number 9, it is 2 triangle, 1 square, 2 triangle, then 1 square, and you give the particular color of the square here. Similarly, for question number 10, 11 and 12, there are pictures given here involving birthday cap, the teddy bear and the flower. Okay, so we can give the color. We have to complete the pattern by coloring. Okay, now if we don't have to draw any shape, we don't have to give any numbers, we just have to color them. So coloring and completing the completing this way also is known as pattern. So it is orange, blue, orange, blue. So what will come here? You can give the orange color, then the blue color, orange, then blue. Similarly, you can complete these two in this way. Here for teddy bear, 2 colors are given here, the brown and the green. So you can complete the pattern. Similarly for flower, it is blue and orange. Next, the question is complete the given pattern by drawing and coloring the next two. So here we don't have to choose anything. We have to draw what will come after the last figure. Now let us start from beginning. It is a circle, rectangle, circle, square, circle, rectangle, circle. So what will come here? The square will come here. Then after square, what will come? Circle. Now it has been asked only to draw the two figure, only the next two figure. So we will, what will come here? 2 figures. First one will come the square, then the circle. You can give the color here. Okay. But remember children, you can do in the workbook, you can color using a pencil and the color pencil, but don't make it dirty. Okay, so try to do it neat and clean order. Question number 14, draw the next 4 shapes of the given pattern. So this is a little different. We have to look at the order in a different way. See here, the triangle is inverted. Okay, then comes the square, then again triangle. Okay, so the triangle, this is in upward direction, this is inverted. Now again the inverted triangle comes. Now we have to draw the next 4 shapes, not 2. Here it has been asked 4. So after this what will come? After this square will come. Okay, the square will come, and after the square what will come? Since this is an inverted triangle, then we know after the inverted triangle the square comes, then the triangle that is pointing upwards. Okay, then again what will come? After that it will come the inverted triangle. After the inverted triangle the square will come. Okay, so this pattern is little different. So this is these 3 figures are one set, then these 3 figures are one set, and these 2. Okay, so we only have to draw 4 figures. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this question is little bit twisted. So if you look very closely, this is one order, then the next again we have to repeat only this. Okay, see, 1, again this 3, 1, again this 2. After this what will come? Now since this is inverted, then this triangle will come here. Alright. Question number 15. Draw the shape that comes next. So we have got here smileys and emojis. Though we have discussed this in the last class, since I have not shown you the workbook, so we are going to look how to do in a workbook here. Alright. So these are a bunch of smileys given here, and we can see the variation is that one is smiling, the other is not smiling. Okay, so we have to complete the pattern. In the last one, this is sad. Okay, so what will come after this? After this, the smiley one will come. That means it is smiling, normal, not smiling. Again smiling, normal, not smiling. Then what will come next? The smiling emoji will come. Alright, so emoji you have seen in mobile phones or in computers when we text someone. Okay, so this kind of emojis we get to see. Question number 16. Circle the picture that come next. Okay, so here is an astronaut. Out of astronaut, one UFO is given here. Okay, so it is an UFO means unidentified flying objects. Again an astronaut, then a UFO, astronaut. So what will come next? After the astronaut, this machine will come. So we have to circle in this way. Similarly, this pattern, what will come next after the triangle? So after the triangle, the square will come. We have to circle this. Now this is a number plate. like a number plate but involving starting from 1 to 30. Continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes. So we have to color them using the color pink color here is given, so we can use the pink color, and we have already discussed this in the last class. I'm showing you how to do here. So you color 5, 10, 15 is already done in the book. So after 15 what will come? 20, after 20, 25, after 25, 30. So you can color this tree. Okay. Now this is a rail. Okay, and here bogies are here, and we have to put the numbers. This is a pattern involving numbers. So what will come here? It is reverse: 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 and 14. Next is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So this number is decreasing by 1 and this number is increasing by 1. Alright? Increasing by 2, sorry. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so this is a pattern involving numbers. Now this is the part that we want to discuss more clearly today. That is the practice question. Okay, so practice question you can do in the workbook itself. Here 10 questions are given, so we have to look here. What is the basic shape in the pattern form? So this is one pattern here, and we have to find the basic shape. Basic shape means a particular shape that has been repeated again and again. And here the square is been repeated, so the answer will be the square. You can do in the book just like how I have done. Question number 2, what is the basic shape in the following pattern? So we have to find the basic shape. Again, we can take the arrow sign. This arrow sign has been repeated again and again, okay, to complete this pattern. Question number 3, can we make a pattern with any shape? Yes, we can make any pattern with any shape. Alright, so the answer will be yes. Color the shapes to form a pattern. So here leaf-like structure figures are given, not exactly leaf but it looks like a leaf, so it is a pattern is given here. You have to color them. So you can color any of your choice, whichever color you like you can put it here. Find the next shape in the given pattern. So this is a pattern, we have to complete them. So okay, so it looks like a cylinder, but here curve is given. So this is pointing in this direction. Again these two are given in this direction, so again one is repeated. So what will come after this? We know after this figure will come. So here what is the next shape in the given pattern? So here the figures having 6 corners, it is a hexagon. So any figures that has got 6 corners are known as hexagon. So this is lying in the horizontal mode, this is vertical, this is lying, this is standing, again this is slipping, standing, slipping and standing. Okay, what will come next in the pattern? So here figures are not given, the name of the objects are given in word, that is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. Okay, so this is also very interesting. Here the figures are not given, the names are given in words. Which is the next word in the given pattern? Okay, so what is the next word here? Triangle, square, star, triangle, square and star. Okay, complete the number pattern by writing the next 2 term. Okay, you can write the next, not 2 term, by writing the next term. So it will be 2, 4, 6. So it is increasing by 2. So what will come after 6? 8, 10 and 12. Similarly, it is increasing by 10. So 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. Okay, so these are the various questions that we have done for today in the workbook. All right, so if you have any doubt you can reach me and you can ask about it. In the next class we will be learning the 3rd chapter, that is pattern. Okay, so with this I conclude my video for today. Thank you and have a nice day.